જીએસએફસી યુનિવર્સિટી દ્વારા વર્ચ્યુઅલ દ્વિતીય કોન્વોકેશન યોજાયું હતું. કોરોનાના સંકટ વચ્ચે જીએસએફસી યુનિવર્સિટી દ્વારા વિદ્યાર્થીઓના અભ્યાસ પર વધુ ભાર મૂકવામાં આવી રહ્યો છે. સમયસર 2019-20નું સત્ર પણ પૂરું કર્યું હતું. ગત શૈક્ષણિક વર્ષમાં પાસ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે જીએસએફસી યુનિવર્સિટીએ ખાસ વર્ચ્યુઅલ કોન્વોકેશન યોજ્યું હતું. જીએસએફસીના આ દ્વિતીય કોન્વોકેશનમાં પદ્મ વિભૂષણ ડોક્ટર R.A. મશેલકર, યુનિવર્સિટીના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ P.K. તનેજા, યુનિવર્સિટીના રજિસ્ટ્રાર રમેશ પંચાલ, પ્રોવોસ્ટ પ્રોફેસર ડોક્ટર નિખિલ ઝવેરી સહિત અગ્રણી મહાનુભાવો ઓનલાઈન જોડાયા હતા.
I extend my warm welcome to the graduating students. We are fully aware that this pandemic situation is causing stress and psychosis. But you are the chosen one who will flourish in the coming time. As it is said, more you endure hard times, more you ensure bright times. Because difficult situations make you agile, able, and the best. I welcome you all. I am very pleased to mention that till date, 47% of them have been placed and opted to continue their journey of learning by pursuing postgraduate degree in India and abroad. And still our placements are going on. My heartiest congratulations to them and all the best for successful and meaningful career in the coming time.
May I now request our President Shri P.K. Taneja to approve administrating presentation of university degrees and merit medals.
This convocation of the university has been called on a virtual platform to confer the degrees upon the candidates who, in the examination held for the purpose, have been certified to be worthy of the same. Let the award of university degrees and merit medals may now be carried out. To the second convocation of GSFC University. We are undergoing through unprecedented times with newer and difficult challenges. However, these challenges are creating new opportunities. Now it requires more emphasis on adaptability, initiative, creativity, and spirit of enterprise to cope with future that is becoming more and more unpredictable. Therefore, GSFC University is managing this muddled situation by holding its second convocation virtually, taking up the challenge of organizing this momentous event. I am aware that degree recipients may be skipping the splendor of the on-campus convocation, but we have tried our best to retain the charm and sanctity of the event. I assure all my graduating friends that once things get normal, I would personally like to interact with you on the campus. But now, let this be a cherished memoir for all of us, where we witness the triumph of technology over the contemptuous epidemic.
વર્ચ્યુઅલ દ્વિતીય કોન્વોકેશનમાં 259 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ડિગ્રી અને 6 વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ગોલ્ડ મેડલ એનાયત કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા.
My name is Pearl Sharma and I belong to Mechanical Engineering Department. I feel blessed to be awarded in presence of such honorary dignitaries. I would like to express my gratitude to Almighty, my dear family, my friends, faculty members and GSFC management staff for supporting me in such crucial years of my life. I would like to thank GSFC University specially for being catalyst in my all-around development.
GSFCના વર્ચ્યુઅલ કોન્વોકેશનમાં ખાસ હાજર પદ્મ વિભૂષણ ડોક્ટર R.A. મશેલકરે કોરોનાના કારણો ઉલ્લેખ સાથે પરિસ્થિતિને રીડિસ્કવરી તરીકે જોઈ રીઇન્વેન્શનથી રીથિંકિંગ દ્વારા વધુ સારા ભવિષ્યના નિર્માણ માટે અનુરોધ કર્યો હતો.
Our Honorable Prime Minister has inspired us by wanting us to create Atmanirbhar Bharat. And who is going to create that Atmanirbhar Bharat? You are going to do it. And that Atmanirbhar Bharat has to be created with Atmavishwas, self-reliant India with self-confidence. It has to be done with Atmasanman. And therefore you have the challenge of creating this new India of our dreams. Based on my experience, and now I'm 77-year-old, there are some lessons that I've learned from my own book of life. So what I'm going to do is to give you 10 Mashelkar mantras. They work for me. I hope they will work for you. What are those? The first is hard work. You know, like instant coffee, there is no instant success. All right? I'm 77. I've worked hard 24 into 7, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, and I'll continue to do so till the last day of my life. But remember, it is important to work hard in silence. Let success make all the noise. That's Mashelkar Mantra number 1.